If you've ever wished for a clearer way to keep track of your project timelines in ClickUp, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a Gantt chart view to any project inside your ClickUp workspace. By the end of this video, you'll know how to visualize task progress, dependencies, and deadlines with a clean, interactive chart, making your planning and team collaboration smoother and more efficient. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your ClickUp workspace. That's the main dashboard where you manage all your tasks, lists, and projects. If you're already logged in, you'll probably see your most recent spaces and folders right away. Just take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams or clients. If not, use the workspace switcher in the top left to select the one you want. Next, you'll be choosing the specific project where you want to add the Gantt chart view. In ClickUp, projects are usually organized as folders or lists, depending on how you set things up. Look through your sidebar and click on the project that you'd like to work with today. Maybe it's your new website launch or your upcoming event planning project. Whatever it is, just select that space. Picking the right project is important, since the Gantt chart will only display the tasks and dates for that particular project, helping you stay focused and organized. Once you're inside your chosen project, you'll notice a series of tabs or view options at the top of the page. To keep things simple, look for the View button. Sometimes it's a plus sign or labeled as Plus View, depending on your ClickUp version. Click on that to open up the list of available views. ClickUp offers several different views like List, Board, Calendar, and a few others, but today we're focusing on Gantt. Scroll down the options until you see Gantt. Gantt charts are fantastic because they lay out your tasks along a timeline, so you can quickly spot overlaps, gaps, or potential bottlenecks in your workflow. If you've ever worked on a puzzle and needed to see how all the pieces fit together, this is it, but for your project tasks. Go ahead and select Gantt from the list. ClickUp will automatically generate a dynamic chart based on the tasks and due dates already set up in your project. And just like that, you've added the Gantt chart view to your ClickUp project. You can now drag tasks on the timeline, adjust deadlines visually, and even create dependencies simply by connecting one task to another. It may take a moment to load all your project's data, especially for larger projects, but give it a second. If you don't see much at first, don't worry. It just means you might need to add a few more tasks or set deadlines to make the chart more informative. Gantt charts are an amazing way to get a bird's-eye view of your project progress, and once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever managed without this level of clarity. If this walkthrough helped you set up a Gantt chart in ClickUp, go ahead and hit the like button. Feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out with troubleshooting or tips. And if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.